Welcome to Owl English. In this lesson, we will practice English pronunciation, speaking, and listening. This is a long practice session. Relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Step by step, your English will improve. Let's begin with greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm okay. Not bad. I'm tired. I'm happy. I'm excited. Now let's make short conversations. Hello, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good too. What are you doing? I'm studying English. That's great. Yes, it is. Another short conversation. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Are you busy today? Yes, I have a meeting. Good luck. Thank you. Now let's practice polite expressions. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. That's okay. No problem. Could you help me? Of course. I appreciate it. Now let's practice questions. What is your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Where do you live? I live in New York. What do you do? I am a student. Do you like English? Yes, I do. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Now, let's try useful daily sentences. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am happy. I am sad. I am busy. I am ready. I am late. I am free. Now let's practice in sentences. I am hungry. Let's eat. I am thirsty. I need water. I am tired. I want to sleep. I am happy today. I am busy right now. I am ready to go. I am late for school. I am early for the meeting. I am free this evening. Now let's practice at a restaurant. Hello, may I see the menu? Yes, here you are. Thank you. What do you recommend? The chicken is very good. Okay, I will take the chicken. Would you like something to drink? Yes. Water, please. Anything else? No, that's all. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Now let's practice in a shop. Hello, can I help you? Yes, I want to buy a shirt. What size do you need? Medium, please. Here is a medium shirt. Can I try it on? Yes, the fitting room is over there. It fits well. How much is it? It is $20. Okay, I will buy it. Do you need a bag? Yes, please. Here you are. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Now let's practice. Good morning. May I see your passport? Yes, here it is. Thank you. Where are you flying to? I am flying to London. Do you have any luggage? Yes, one bag. Please put it on the scale. Here is your boarding pass. Gate number 10. Thank you. Have a good flight. Thank you very much. Now let's practice in the hotel. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Yes, under the name David. One moment, please. Yes, we have your booking. Single room or double room? Single room, please. Here is your key. Your room is on the second floor. Breakfast is at 7 o'clock. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Now let's practice daily activities. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. I eat lunch. I go home. I do homework. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed. Now let's practice in story form. My name is Ali. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I eat breakfast with my family. Then I go to school. At school, I study English and math. I eat lunch with my friends. After school, I go home. I do my homework. In the evening, I eat dinner. Then I watch TV. Finally, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Now let's practice pronunciation with tricky words again. Comfortable, vegetable, chocolate, Wednesday, February, receipt. Now put them in sentences. This chair is comfortable. I like vegetables. She loves chocolate. Today is Wednesday. February is cold. I need the receipt. Now let's practice minimal pairs again. Pen and pan, sit and seat, ship and sheep, cat and cut, full and fool, fan and van, thin and tin, right and light. Let's make sentences. I have a pen. I cooked in a pan. Please sit down. Please take a seat. The ship is in the sea. The sheep is in the field. The cat is black. Cut the paper. The glass is full. Don't be a fool. The fan is broken. The van is outside. He is thin. The box is made of tin. This is the right answer. The light is bright. Now let's practice a longer story. Emma is a nurse. She works in a hospital. She wears a white uniform. Every day she helps many patients. She gives them medicine. She speaks kindly to them. Her patients feel happy. Emma loves her job. She feels proud when people get better. At night, she goes home tired, but she is satisfied. Now, another story. James is a taxi driver. He drives a yellow taxi. Every morning he starts work at 7 o'clock. He drives people to the airport. He drives people to the market. He drives people to the office. Sometimes he is busy. Sometimes he is free. James likes talking to his passengers. He listens to their stories. He says every day is different. That's why he enjoys his job. Now let's practice travel again. Where is the bus stop? It is near the school. What time does the bus leave? At 10 o'clock. How much is the ticket? It is $5. Where is the train station? It is next to the park. When does the train arrive? At 2 o'clock. How far is the airport? It is 20 kilometers. Now, let's practice motivation sentences. I can speak English. I can improve my pronunciation. I can understand better. I enjoy practicing. Step by step, I am improving. Practice makes perfect. I will continue to practice every day. I am becoming more fluent. I believe in myself. I will not give up. Asterisk, asterisk. Now, let's move to useful daily sentences. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm good too. It's a beautiful day. Yes, the sun is shining. What are your plans for today? I will go to the market. That sounds nice. Now let's continue with polite expressions. Please speak slowly. Could you repeat that? Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. That's okay. No problem. Have a nice day. Here is a short dialogue in a restaurant. Hello, may I see the menu? Yes, here you are. Thank you. What do you recommend? The chicken is very good. Okay, I will try the chicken. Would you like something to drink? Yes, water, please. Certainly. Here is your meal. Enjoy your food. Thank you very much. Now let's practice pronunciation with tricky words. Comfortable, vegetable, chocolate, Wednesday, February, receipt. Now repeat them in sentences. This chair is comfortable. I bought fresh vegetables. She likes chocolate. Today is Wednesday. February is cold. I need the receipt, please. Now let's practice minimal pairs. Ship and sheep. Sit and seat. Bit and beat. Full and fool. Fan and van. Thin and tin. Right and light. Listen carefully to the small differences. Now use them in sentences. The ship is on the sea. The sheep is in the field. Please sit down. Please seat the guest. I ate a bit of bread. I like the beat of the music. The glass is full. Don't be a fool. The fan is broken. The van is outside. The boy is thin. The box is made of tin. This is the right answer. The light is very bright. Now let's practice a short story. My name is Sarah. I live in a small town. Every morning, I wake up early. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I eat breakfast and drink a cup of tea. Then I go to work. At work, I talk to many people. I try to speak clearly. I know that good pronunciation is important. Every evening, I listen to English stories. Step by step, my English is improving. Here is another story. Mark is a student. He studies English every day. He listens to lessons, repeats words, and practices sentences. Sometimes it is difficult. Sometimes he makes mistakes. But Mark does not give up. He says to himself, "Practice makes perfect." Day by day, he feels more confident. One day, he will speak English fluently. Now, let's practice a shopping dialogue. Hello, how much is this shirt? It is $20. That's too expensive. Do you have something cheaper? Yes, this one is $15. Okay, I will take it. Do you need a bag? Yes, please. Here you are. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Now let's practice travel sentences. Where is the bus station? The bus station is near the park. How much is a ticket to London? It is £10. When does the train leave? The train leaves at 10 o'clock. Where is the airport? The airport is far from here. Can I take a taxi? Yes, you can. Now, a short travel story. Emma is traveling to another city. She goes to the bus station. She buys a ticket. She waits for the bus. When the bus arrives, she gets on. She finds a seat near the window. She looks outside and enjoys the view. After 2 hours, she arrives at her destination. She feels happy and excited. Now let's practice sentences in the office. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Do you have the report? Yes, here it is. Excellent work. Thank you. Do you have a meeting today? Yes, at 2 o'clock. Okay, see you later. Now practice at the doctor's office. Good morning. What's the problem? I have a headache. Do you have a fever? No, just a headache. Okay, take this medicine. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Take care. Now let's practice more positive sentences. I can speak English clearly. I enjoy practicing every day. I am improving step by step. People can understand me better now. I am more confident in speaking English. My listening is improving. My vocabulary is growing. Every day, I am closer to fluency. Here is another short story. David likes to read English books. At first, it was difficult. There were many new words, but he kept reading. Day by day, he learned more. Now, he can read short stories easily. Reading helps his vocabulary and pronunciation. David feels proud of his progress. Thank you for practicing with Owl English. Come back every day to listen, repeat, and practice. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. See you in the next lesson.